Five Silly Fishermen, written by Roberta Edwards, illustrated by Sylvie Wickstrom. One fine day, 5 fishermen went fishing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down to the river they ran. One sat on a rock. One stood on the dock. One climbed up the tree. One laid in the grass. And one fisherman got into a boat. "Hello down there," he called to the fish. "We are ready to catch you." Do you see the fish? At the end of the day, each fisherman had a nice fat fish on his line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fishermen, and each one has his own fish. Oh, look, he's still trying to catch his fish. "What a fine supper we'll have," said one fisherman. "Now let's go home. First, we must count to see if we are all here. What if one of us fell into the water?" Yikes. So he began to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 fishermen. Oh no, one of us is missing. Is there a fisherman missing? This fisherman counted 1, 2, 3, 4. And we know there weren't 5 fishermen. Is one missing? "It cannot be," said another fisherman. "Maybe you counted wrong." So he began to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 fishermen too. It is true. One of us has drowned. Oh dear. All the fishermen hugged each other. They cried and cried. "Our poor friend, what will we do without him?" Boo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. Just then, a little girl came by. She was going fishing too. "Why are you so sad?" she asked the fisherman. "There used to be 5 of us, but one has drowned, and now there are only 4. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. He counted again. Are you seeing a problem with the counting at all? Well, right away, the little girl saw his mistake. You see, the fisherman forgot to count himself. "Will you give me your fish if I find your friend?" the little girl asked. "Oh, yes, of course we will." "Now, jump into the river one at a time, and I will count you," the little girl said. The fishermen did as they were told. Splash into the river they went. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5! 5! The fisherman shouted. "Our lost friend is found. He did not drown at all." And they were so happy. The fishermen gave the little girl all of their fish, and home happily the 5 fishermen went. They were very wet. They had no fish for supper, but they were together, all 5 fishermen again. Hi everybody, it's Miss Julie, and I just finished reading you a story called 5 Silly Fishermen. Now those fishermen were quite silly, weren't they? They started out with 5 fishermen, and when they started counting each other, they could only find 4. Did you ever figure out why that is? The little girl helped us, didn't she? She helped us to see the fishermen were forgetting to count all of them, including themselves. So we're going to do a little bit more practicing with counting, okay? And Miss Julie has her handy number cards again, okay? And I also have my little bubble gums, okay? I wish I had fish, but I don't, because that would go really well with our silly fisherman. But we're going to use our bubble gums. So we are not going to make the same mistake that the fisherman made. We're going to count all. And what we're trying to do is we're going to make equal. Equal, if you remember, means what? It means the same. That's right. So if I held up this number, what number is that, friends? That is the number 3. And there's the word 3. If I held up the number 3, how many bubble gums would I need to make it equal? I bet all of you said 3. That's right. So we're going to put up 3 pieces of bubble gum. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. So we have equal bubble gum to our number, okay? Let's do another one. Let's move that over. Doot, doot, doot. Okay. How about this? What number is this? The number 6. That's right. Now, if we want to have equal, what number of bubblegum pieces do we need to put up? 6. That's right. So help me to count 6, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that enough? Are those equal? Nope. How many more do we need? 1 more. So now we have 6 pieces of bubble gum next to our number 6. Perfect. Let's do another one. Let's do this one. What number is that? That is number 9. You're right. We'll put the 9 there. So how many pieces of bubble gum do we need? Do we need 1? Will they be equal? No, we need 9. So help me to count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 more will make 9. That's right. Now we have 9 pieces with the number 9. We'll do 1 more, friends. Let's do this number. What number is that? If you said number 4, kiss your brain. We'll put the number 4 right there, and let's find how many pieces of bubble gum will we need to make them equal or the same. All right. 1, 2. Is this equal? Does 2 equal 4? Are those the same? Nope. How many more do we need? If we have 2, how many more do we need to make 4? Let's see if you're right. 3, 4. We needed 2 more, and now we have the same. So friends, the fishermen were forgetting to count 1. They forgot to count themselves, but we made sure that we counted and they were the same and equal. And in our story, they really were all there. They just forgot about themselves. So I hope that you can practice counting. Find some numbers and then look around your house. See what you can find to make the matching number. Bye, friends.